Ladies and gentlemen, the Fiji Pro International or Invitational, like many other international sporting events, is actually driven out of passion and out of love for the sport. Here in Fiji, I can guarantee that not only will you experience the best and the greatest waves and trade winds, but the best and the warmest hospitality. So to those of you that are actually visiting Fiji for the first time, welcome to our home. And for those returning, welcome back. Good to see you all again. Ladies and gentlemen, when Ian first came to my office with the windsurfing proposal, I could see the excitement in his face, and I have known Ian for many years, and this especially excited him. And this excitement, ladies and gentlemen, is actually shared with the Fijian tourism industry, who have been thrilled with the reopening of our borders in December last year. And as of about July or so, we've already recovered about 56% of our tourism numbers for that same period in 2019. And our July arrivals also around 82% the same, around the pre-pandemic levels. And our markets are actually showing a strong rebound. So we've received the highest number of visitors out of Australia ever in a given month. And New Zealand also and the US have showed about 90% recovery for the 2019 levels that we had. So we in Fiji are expecting close to about 500,000 odd visitors to our shores this year, and a full recovery hopefully by 2024. So it bodes well for all of us. On Monday this week also, we welcome back the first cruise ship or cruise liner for over 2 years, carrying about 1,000 odd passengers. And what you should all know is that significant sacrifices have been made, as well as commitments to get to where we are today. One of Fijian government's shared commitments with the tourism industry is to build back sustainably and more inclusively, and also to ensure our resilience. For the larger part, something like this actually requires partnership. So over the years, the government has actually invested heavily in hosting international events. But by doing so, ladies and gentlemen, we're actually illustrating Fiji's ability to host top-tier international sporting events. And we measure our success beyond the actual direct economic benefit when it comes to positioning Fiji as a tourism hub. I'm pleased to learn, ladies and gentlemen, that the Fiji Surf Company has partnered also with a number of local stakeholders, including the local communities from Nabila and Momi villages. And this way we actually ensure that our local people and local communities too benefit out of this. Fiji, like many other developing states, generates a significant amount of revenue from our natural assets. And tourism alone was worth about 40% towards our GDP pre-COVID. And as a government, sustainability and also the resilience it actually creates are a major focus for us. We also, and I'm sure you all understand and appreciate this, we also need to protect our ecosystems. And that means our reefs and our forests. And so we can keep Fiji as a pristine destination and continue to reap the benefits for a prosperous tourism sector. I know Ian is a champion when it comes to all of these things, and we want visitors to come to our islands to see these assets just the same way you will, and also to leave with a better understanding of how vital it is to our people. I understand that this event will also contribute to the Great Sea Reef Trust, and actually to restore coral reefs around Cloudbreak, and to put in place some measures with respect to emissions offset. And this will contribute to our vision of a bluer Fijian tourism industry. I know some of you have traveled from as far as France and Ireland and the UK and Italy and Morocco and the Pacific participating in this event. Over the next few days, ladies and gentlemen, you'll have the opportunity to explore Fiji's beautiful natural surroundings, and our diverse culture, and our cuisine, and our friendly and hospitable atmosphere. And by the way, you get some of the best crab in the country in this particular area. So once again, welcome to all of you, and I wish you all the very best. And I'm sure you will join me in just saying this. We want to convey a special Pinaba level to the Vanua of Tabarua and Namotu for their support. Ladies and gentlemen, they are an essential part of our tourism industry, and we need to acknowledge what they do for us. So thank you very much to both the Vanuas. So with those few words, ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure to declare the International World Surfing Tournament 2022 competition open. Thank you very much. God bless.